Hello guys, this is Julie Nasruddin from JulieTube, and today I'm gonna show you how to solve this 2x2 Rubik's Cubes for beginners. But before we start, please make sure that you've subscribed to my channel and activated bell so you're always notified with my new videos, because I'll be teaching you the other types of Rubik's Cubes as well.
Now, in order to solve this 2x2 Rubik's Cube, we have to solve the first layer, which is the top layer also. So in order to do that, we have to search for a corner that contains the white color on it, just like this one, for example. Here we have blue, red, white. So here we don't the first layer, to solve the white, we have to make it on the top layer. So this, we're gonna move it upwards, so it's going to be right here, just like this. Then once you have a corner solved, so it's on your top face, make sure you're holding the cube so the white is facing upwards. Now we'll search for another corner that contains the white color, just like this one. But this one, if we just move it upwards like this, the white is going to be matching like you see, but here the colors aren't matching. So we have to look for a red, and for a corner that contains red and white, or we have to look for a corner that contains blue and white. So here we have this corner right here. As you can see, we have the white, the red, and the green. So this corner has the red. So we'll not move it upwards, because it will be green and blue. They don't match up. So we'll move it until we'll find the red, just like this. Here we have the red, and here we have white and white. So now we can just move it upwards, because the white will be facing like this, not up to the up face. So in order to do that, we have, if you have this on the top, just like this on the top right, so the white is facing you, but you have to orient it so the white is facing upwards, just like this. So if you have it on the top right corner in your front face, so just move it downwards, then take this corner to the back, just like this, then move it upwards so it's here. Once you get it into here, we have to bring it away, just like this, then bring this down, because this is the layer that this corner needs to be into here, this corner needs to be into here, but we can't just do like this because we'll mess up this corner. So in order to do that, and without missing the corners, we have to take this corner out of the way, then bring this downwards, then kick this piece out, so the corner that needs to be oriented or fixed in the right place is right here, and the layer that you need to move it, or you need to solve it. So here upwards, we take it back. So here we have red and red, white and white, so the colors are matching. We'll have to look for another corner that contains white. So here we have a corner that contains white, as you can see, but also we have to look for the other colors. We have here white, green, and orange, as you can see. So as I told you, if you have this corner on the top right of the front face, then just do these moves. Bring this downwards, and then move this to the back, so when we bring this upwards, it's going to be here. Then as I said, we can just do this because it will mess up this corner, so we'll take it out of the way, then move the layer that this corner needs to be replaced in. So we have to move this layer just like this, then kick this piece out just like this, and then move it upwards. Then we have 3 corners that are oriented in the right place, red and red, green and green, and here we have white, 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 as you can see. Now there is a missing corner that has white. We'll look for it, just like this one. So sometimes you'll have it like here, this is the same situation that I used to have before, but this time it's on the top left corner. So in this situation you'll do the same moves but from the left side. So we'll bring this layer downwards, then bring this corner to the back. So when we bring this corner upwards, it will be here. Then solve it as always. Now if you have a situation that you'll have the corner like facing downwards, just like this, like the white is facing downwards. So in this case you'll bring this corner to the place that it needs to be in, to go in, just like this. So we'll do the same moves again. So we'll bring this downwards, just like this. Then we'll have it, the white, the corner that has the white will be on the back, so we have to move it out of the way. So maybe it's going to be here, but make sure it's not like here or here, like not here. So make sure that it's one of the corners that's right here. So we'll bring this piece outwards so we don't mess up everything, then just solve it as always. Now once your first layer is done and you've solved the first layer and all the colors are matching, the white is matching as you can see, and here we have green and green, orange and orange, blue and blue, red and red. Once you have the first layer done, we are going to flip the whole cube upside down, just like this. So now the white is facing downwards. Now we'll look for a corner that might be oriented in the same place. Like for example, we'll look at this corner. Here it has, now pretend that the opposite of white is always yellow, and the opposite of red is always orange, and the opposite of green is always blue. So this is the way that will help you a lot in solving the 2x2 Rubik's Cubes. So here, for example, I have yellow on the top, here we have red and blue. We'll just turn it so it's facing where it's oriented in the right place, where it's surrounded by yellow, red and blue. Because here, as we said, we'll pretend that yellow's on the top because white is facing the bottom, so the opposite of white is always yellow. So yellow's on top right now. So now here we have green and red. Here we have red and blue. So this isn't oriented in the right place. So we'll turn it. Here we have orange and green, doesn't match up. Blue and orange doesn't match up, like almost. Here we have red and blue. Here we have red and blue, and yellow's on the top, so it's oriented in the right place. Sometimes you'll just have it as this one. It's so yellow's not on the top, but it's oriented in the right place because here we have yellow. Just pretend that the opposite of white is always yellow. So here we have yellow and blue. orange. So here we have yellow, blue, orange. So this is oriented also in the right place. Now, in this case, in the situation that I have right now, that all my corners are oriented in the right place, and two, like the yellows on the top, so it's fixed or solved. Like, sometimes you'll not have this situation. What you'll have is you're going to have like one solved corner. Maybe the yellows on the top, maybe not, but the other three, you'll not have them oriented in the right place. So if you have like the yellow is facing you or to the right or whatever, just if you have it like to the top left, make sure that it is to the top right, but don't just like turn this layer, because like this you'll not have it in the right place. So keep the cube just like the same position as it is, then turn the whole cube just like this. So now here I have, this is my front face. I have this corner that is oriented in the right place and the yellow is on the top. Maybe you'll have the yellow on facing you or to the right, but that's like, it doesn't matter. So in this case, just put it to the top right corner just like this and make a move that is called a dodge. So we'll move this top layer to the left, then move this layer up, then this layer right, then this layer up, then this layer to the left, so the white is right here. Then we bring this down so we don't mix it up, and then bring this piece right here just like this, then bring it down. Sometimes you'll have your corners oriented in the right place, sometimes not. If you have your corners oriented in the right place, then that's good, and don't just do anything, just wait for a sec. If you have my situation, which you don't have your three left corners oriented in the right place, you only have one, then do the same move again. Hold it to the top right corner, then make dodge. So dodge left, up, right, up, left, down, right, down. Now I have all the corners oriented in the right place. If you don't have it, then just do it again, the dodge. But if you have my situation, like you have all the corners are oriented in the right place, then that's good. If you have like your corners are oriented in the right place, but like the yellows are not facing the top layer or like the top face, like here, then that's okay. Just flip the whole cube upside down again. If you have my situation with that yellow, like it's fixed, like blue with blue, red with red, and then yellow with yellow, then hold it to the bottom left corner, but don't just move the layer. Turn the whole cube so it's facing like the bottom left corner, as you can see, just like this one, and do it from the right. If you have your corners oriented in the right place, but you don't have the yellow, like it's oriented like red with red, blue with blue, yellow with yellow, then that's okay. Move it in any direction. But if you don't have like this fixed, but if you have my situation with like the yellow is on the bottom and red with red, blue with blue, like the colors are matching, then hold it to the bottom left and do these moves with your right side. So these moves are up, left, down, right. Make it again, like if you have the yellow is facing the bottom, then we have to turn like so, like just wait for a second. But if you don't have the yellow is facing the bottom, then just doing it again. Up, left, down, right. Look, as you can see, my corner in my situation, the corner that I was orienting, or I was like fixing, solving, is oriented in the right place, because here we have blue with blue, orange with orange, and yellow with yellow. So if you have this situation, we'll have to look for an unsolved corner just like this one and do the same moves again. If you don't have like the corner fixed yet or solved yet, then just do the same moves again, which are up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. And then just move it and your whole cube will be solved. But sometimes, as I said, the situation that I used to have was two corners are oriented and like solved. If you don't have that and your whole cube isn't solved yet, then just make the 4 moves again until your yellow is facing the bottom and your white is facing the top, and your whole cube is just solved. So this is the tutorial.
Now, after solving this 2x2 Rubik's Cube, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Activate the bell. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below. This is Julia Nasruddin. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.